What's up guys, the Rogue Vet back at you with another video. So today we're going to be putting on the brand new steering wheel. It's the one with the flat bottom. As you know, the 2014 and 2015 Corvettes had the regular round, and 16 and above had the flat bottom. So we ordered the new one with the flat bottom just to give it a more aggressive look, and we're going to go ahead and install that today. Links will also be down in the description below in case you are interested in getting one. Very high quality product. I highly recommend it if you're looking for one of those that I have. But let's go ahead and get that done. All right guys, so first thing you're going to want to do in the trunk, you're going to want to disconnect your battery before we work on taking the steering wheel off. Otherwise the airbag could go off. So go ahead, let's take this out, and you're going to want to use a 10mm bolt socket to get the battery off. So let's go ahead, let's do that now. Once the negative terminal on the battery has been unplugged, you can go ahead and wrap it in a towel, or you just put it off to the side. That way it's not connecting and getting power anymore. But let's go ahead and move on to the next part. They say to go ahead and wait about 5 to 10 minutes before you actually attempt to take the steering wheel off. So we're gonna go ahead and wait 5 to 10 minutes and then we'll come back. All right guys, so we're in the car. So the next step to go ahead and get the steering wheel off is on the sides, on the back, there are gonna be some holes right there on this, both sides, this side and that side. Now you're going to want to go ahead and get you a screwdriver here that can go ahead and go inside and just press in, and if you can do it with both at the same time, that'll help. Okay, so let me go ahead and do this here. Now when you press in, you'll feel some resistance. You should feel some resistance to go ahead and start prying it out. All right guys, and once it comes out, you're gonna see inside here, okay, there's a couple little things that we're gonna have to get undone, and we're gonna need a flathead for that, and I don't have it, so let me go grab it. All right guys, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this, but I'm gonna do my best. These little orange tabs, what you're gonna do is put your flathead right in between the yellow and the orange and pull up. Same with this here, pull up. Now, yeah, there they go. Okay, so those are out. Now, the only other thing that we need to do as far as unplugging the horn is this little guy right here. Okay, so here's the airbag's here. Okay, let's go ahead and set that to the side. Okay, there's one more thing in here, this little switch, that little connector, and then this T50 bit, that's gonna have to be broken off so we can get the steering wheel off. Okay, so that's taken out. Now let's go ahead, see if I can get this. You want to take your T50 Torx. Okay guys, now once the bolt's out, now we're good to go ahead and take the steering wheel off. But one more tip that I forgot to mention, whenever you're going to finally take the bolt off, make sure the steering wheel is all the way turned over, okay? That way you got a little bit more leverage when you're braking it. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to the next step. Now we'll go ahead and fit the wires right through here. We'll put the old one down for a second. Let's grab the new one. Fit the wires right through. All right, make sure it's placed on there correctly. Clipping that back in. Go ahead and put the bolt back in because we'll need to tighten that down. All right, don't forget to torque it down, close to 22 foot-pounds. Okay, go ahead and take your supplied plug this in first. Then plug back in the yellow and the blue ones. And that should be it. All right, guys, let's go ahead. We'll start the car back up. Don't forget to take off your wrapping here. And it looks much better. Alright guys, well, hope you enjoyed me putting on this new steering wheel. I definitely do like it. It's a much more aggressive looking with the flat bottom there. I do prefer it. But until the next video, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.